What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, link in the description for merchandise, www.talktheworld.com. Today we got 2010 Mustang and we got Maxpeedingrods T7 coilovers that they sponsored us with for this video. So let's unbox them and let's check them out. Alright guys, comes with a tool and a sticker, Maxpeedingrod, and it comes with a booklet that has instructions and some other stuff on the coilovers, and it comes with the Allen key, 2 different ones for the dampening settings. It comes with shocks, dampening settings on the top. They got 27 adjustable, I believe. This right here has the collar, so that way you can just adjust them from the bottom, and then all you gotta do is just tighten this down. More pieces for the coils, and then it comes with sway bar links. That's pretty dope. So that's gonna be all for the rear, and then for the front, this has a camber plate for camber adjustments, so that way we can camber the front wheels if we wanted to. And this is it. Not bad for the T7s. Let's get this to the house, you guys, get it jacked up and start the process on this.
You're done. Fast boy?
Fast boy.
Fast boy.
Automatic boy.
Oh yeah.
Darn good. Yeah, we could use it. Alright guys, so this is for the back. It has coilovers, or it has coils and shocks separate instead of the coilover setup. So this is gonna be in one spot, and I'll show you guys here in a minute. And then the coil just sits on top of it, so you just adjust the height through the bottom. And the shock, it just bolts on the top and bolts on the bottom. So we can adjust the ride height with this right here, and then we can also adjust the ride height with this bottom piece.
Mickey shop.
Mickey Mouse shop. Alright guys, so 2 bolts, and just adjust those right there, and that's it.
What about this, bro?
What about these nuts? So I was trying to take off the stock shock. It's been here for a while. I don't know if anybody else is gonna run into this issue. So what I did was I went ahead and got these, and I cut a little bit of the plastic off. I crimped it right here with some vice grips to hold it, because it was just spinning on the top. So basically what I did was cut a little bit to expose it. I just cut around. I'm doing it with one hand too, so once you cut a little piece off, you can just put some vice grips right here, and it'll stop it from spinning, so that way you can remove it. The other one, I already got it loose on this side. As you can see, it's almost ready to come off. This one, you can see it just spins. So if you have that issue, just like how it's not coming off, put the vice grips, and just like that, loosen it, and then it'll come off. So that way you guys don't have no problem with not being able to remove it. Just like that. Alright. There's the old one, and then we got the new one over here. So you guys can get a comparison of what it looks like. We gotta adjust the ride height with this. I'm gonna just go ahead and throw them on there where Maxpeedingrods left them out the box. And then next step, all I gotta do is remove the coil that's back here. And I'll probably use a pry bar and lift up on this because there's gonna be tension. Lift up on it, hold down on this without the shock on there, and it should just pop out. This is the one that comes with the Maxpeedingrod coilovers. And can you hold this real quick? And this is what I noticed right now. I was trying to figure out, okay. But this is what I was trying to figure out right now. For this coilover piece for the coil, this is the one that comes with it, the Maxpeedingrod one. But on the actual rear end, it does not fit on this ring right here. The OEM one fits, but that one don't. So as far as this one, it fits onto the coilover piece, but it doesn't fit onto the rear end. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the factory one. So when you guys do this kit, don't lose your stock OEM one, because this one fits into the Maxpeedingrod set, and then it'll fit in the factory spot, so that way it don't move. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Alright guys, for this, there's just this one nut that goes on the top, and you basically just take off this bushing for the top, like so. This is gonna be on the inside of the trunk, and then you just gotta have somebody assist you to be able to hold it up right here in that spot, and then you just bolt on this, and everything else is adjustable. So alright guys, so the rear already done, it's complete. We already got everything tightened. We went to go drive it around the block, everything was good, no issues. The front is next, you guys, so let's get to the other shop and let's install the front coilovers and get everything set. right, guys, so we got the coilovers installed. This is the ride height that we're gonna leave it at. She's gonna end up getting different wheels. These are 19s and a little bit thicker tire, and we're gonna end up changing those out. Also, we did do the water pump and the serpentine belt and the spark plugs. We did a lot of other things on here. That way everything's straight, everything's good. It is a V6, but later it's gonna be swapped to something else. But for right now, not bad. T7 coilovers, you guys. We got the adjustments all the way to the stiffest setting. We can soften them later, but for right now, looks pretty clean. You guys stay posted. We got more videos coming with the Eclipse, Lambo, and we got some other builds on the way. So I'll see you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Take it to the ground, I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I used to you, fucking do you? Like I did it, can't do it, can't get it. Oh, run it up, run it up, run it up. Weed like a Russ, smoke weed like a Russ. And she call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like buckets, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, you know they can't stop. Keep my mind at ease.